Hello, I will tell you something of natural plant medicine and how I use it for my artistic work, this dragon's blood. It's my own opinion. All you do is at your own risk, and first of all, you should ask your doctor if you do something. Now, this is the plant, Dracaena drago. It's a liliata with a atypical thick-knit growth. It's a liliacida. The trees are about 20 meters and several hundred of years old, and um, the Aborigines of the Canaric Islands used this resin, it's dragon's blood, for um, mummificating and for healing their wounds. There you see an example with some fruits and you should not mix it up with other types of dragon's blood, which comes from Croton draconoides or Lechleri or Daminaropus rubia or Pterocarpus. These branches are every 10 years and the roots are growing in the air. And there you see how it's growing, leaving the leaves behind each year, and the flower reminds a little bit of a type of lilies. It looks to me like a big agave which are filtering out water from the nubes. There see the fruit. The fruit is you can eat the fruit, and it's not toxic. And this is the smears. I'm sure that the Guanches used them to make some gofio from it. Inside the tree there's a red of fine fibers, which is also very interesting. It gives no wood, and there we have the product. It's a protected species. You cannot get anything from it, but if you have a tree inside your garden, you can use it. There he's healing himself, who is protecting him from his wounds. It's used as body oil or toothpaste. You can give it in a mortara and crush it down. It's a very red powder, and you can dissolve it later in alcohol. It's not soluble in water, petroleum or turpentine. And then you have the product, which is called the dragon blood. I heard that some Stradivarius violins are conservating with this resin, and also I decided to conservate also my plates, my xilografic plates, with this resin. And sometimes I use it as a toothpaste, some drops of it, because it's said that there's antibiotic or mix it up to have them drink. Yeah, that's an interesting way of 3-hydroxybenzene. Two types of 3-hydroxybenzenes are connected to. It's dracorubin, the red color. I made a lot of paintings and xylographics with these trees, because it's inspiring me very. There we have another plate conservated with the resin of dragon's blood, because the tree himself protects from water and from the composition. There are very different types of trees which you can see in the Canaric Island, and if you want to see a little bit more of my art, you're invited to go to my homepage. Goodbye.